Why should I use BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers?
Installing Acura wheel spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do. Hub-centric wheel spacers offer several advantages over non-hub-centric spacers. A hub-centric spacer is designed with a step that provides a more precise alignment between the spacer and the hub assembly. This precise alignment ensures a tight and secure connection. Non-hub-centric wheel spacers rely solely on the bolt pattern and surface pressure for alignment. This can lead to issues such as uneven force distribution and potential for movements or vibration during operation. In contrast, the hub-centric design of the wheel spacer ensures that the components are perfectly aligned to the hub. This not only makes the installation process easier, but also significantly improves the reliability and longevity of the connection. Moreover, the precise fitment provides smoother and more stable handling. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.